We support suppliers a couple of different ways. If I put myself in the supplier's shoes, I would want to know that I'm working with a finance provider that understands what I'm actually trying to sell. So I recently spent some time in Gunnedah out at AgQuit, which is a large agriculture expo. Their machinery is highly specialised. You would look at it and have no idea what it does unless you actually spoke to the supplier. So I think it's important to partner with someone who actually also then understands what it does, because if you're putting a finance submission to the bank for a customer and you as the finance broker don't even understand what the equipment does, chances are you're not presenting the best case for the customer to the bank, because you need to talk about the commercial purpose as to why they're buying it. Agriculture was just a really good example of that when we were out there, because the agricultural implements that they sell out there, one, they're weird looking, but two, they're really, really specialised. And if you don't understand what that is, you're not putting the best foot forward to the customer to the bank. Two, again, if I was a supplier, I would want to know from the moment that I refer a customer to you, finance broker, I would like to know throughout the process how it's moving, because you may get to day 3 or 4 after referring your customer, and we may know that the customer's potentially not going to get the finance. As a supplier, I need to know that, because you may have someone else walk in the gate that day that you want to on-sell that piece of equipment that you're holding for. It's really important those communication lines between finance provider and supplier are open, so that they're utilising every potential sale that comes through their yard or their gate. And for us, it's just really important to communicate that down to the salespeople in that particular supplier. So the communication relationship is one piece, and then I guess specialties in knowing what the equipment does is the other piece.